This is my first time to Croatia. I wanted to come here for years. Well, I chose Exodus because it was small groups. You know, being able to engage with the host a little bit more and get more insight into the areas. Vanja is awesome. She has humor, she's got knowledge. You know, the fact that she is someone that lives locally. Today we did a hike. It was worth it when we got to the top and saw the views from the whole way around. It was awesome. I find it hard to kind of put into words, but the experience with the people here has been just exceptional. No one has made me feel like, oh, you're just a tourist. They're all like super polite and just very welcoming, so it's a very unique country. If I could tell someone and encourage someone to take this trip, I would definitely say you're not going to be disappointed.